Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Yameen Ahmad. I'm studying industrial engineering and management, major in industrial system analytics at University of Vaasa. This is the presentation. I will explain ultrasonic sensor and their application in industrial automations and workplace safety. These sensors play an important role in modern automated system because they help machine detect object and measure distance accurately. In industrial engineering, sensors are essential for monitoring processes, improving efficiency, and support data-driven decision making in automated production system. Ultrasonic sensors are widely used in modern industrial automation system. These sensors detect object and measure distance without physical contact. In automated factories, these informations help machine control production process safety and efficiently. From an industrial engineering and management perspective, sensors provide important data for monitoring and optimizing production system. In industrial system analytics, this sensor data can be used to analyze system performance, detect inefficiency, and improve operational decision making. For example, ultrasonic sensor can detect product on conveyors belt, measure distances for robotics positioning, monitor object presence in assembly lines, and support automated sorting and packaging system. These applications help industries improve productivity, maintain quality control, and the core motive is to enhance workplace safety. In this presentation, I will first introduce ultrasonic sensor technology and explain why sensors are vital in modern industrial automation. Then I will briefly explain what sensors are and how they collect information from the environment. Sensors detect physical conditions such as distance, movement, temperature, presence, and convert them into a signal that machine can understand. After that, I will be explaining how ultrasonic sensor works using high frequency sound waves to detect object and measure distance. From an industrial engineering and system analytics perspective, understanding sensor technology is key because sensors generate the data used to monitor production system, analyze performance, and improve decision making. In automated environment, this knowledge helps engineers um, in decision making, efficiency, reliable and safe industrial system. Moving to sensor application and safety. So in this section, I will explain the main application of ultrasonic sensor and their role in workplace safety. First, ultrasonic sensors are widely used in industrial automation system. They help detect object, measure distance, and support automated process. Second, these sensors are also integrated with safety system. They can detect obstacles, human presence near machine, which help maintain safe distance and prevent accident in automated environment. Finally, I will briefly discuss the advantage and limitation of ultrasonic sensor. Understanding both strength and limitation help engineers choose the most suitable sensor technology for the different industrial application. Ultrasonic sensors are widely used in real industrial environment, industrial automation to help detect object and control production process. They also use in safety system, improve workplace safety and prevent accident. In future, ultrasonic sensors will be integrated with artificial intelligence and smart factory technology to improve automation efficiency. What actually the automation is? This is a question we will be going to answer in very comprehensive way. So automation refer to the use of machine control system and technology to perform a task with minimum human interaction in industrial environment. Automation help machine perform repetitive tasks with high efficiency, speed and accuracy. For example, in manufacturing industries, robot and automated system assemble product, move material, and inspect quality during productions. This system also reduce the human error and improve the productivity. Automation also improve the consistency and allow factories to operate continuously with a better control of production process. Sensors such as ultrasonic sensor are important component in automation because they allow machine to detect object and understand their environment. Sensor is very key feature in automated system. Actually, sensor act as the eye of automated system. They collect all the information about distance, movement, object. This information is sent to the control system so the machine can make decision and operate safely and correctly. Ultrasonic sensor use sound wave to measure distance. They send high frequency sound signal toward an object. When the sound wave hits the object, it reflects back to the sensor. This is how sensor works. It is very crucial aspect to understand the ultrasonic sensor functions. So in order to understand this thing, ultrasonic sensor works by using high frequency sound wave to detect object and measure distance. The sensor first send out ultrasonic sound wave into the surrounding environment. These sound waves hit an object, they reflect back to the sensor as an echo. The sensor then measures the time it taken for echoes to return. Using this time information, the system calculates the distance between the sensor and the object. The process happens very quickly and allow machine to detect object without physical contact. Because of non-contact measurement, ultrasonic sensors are widely used in industrial automation system, object detections, distance measurement, and process monitoring. Understanding time of flight measurement is the key. So in order to understand, the sensor measures the time taken for the sound wave to travel to an object and return. This method is called time of flight measurement. Understanding the key component of ultrasonic sensor is significant. So ultrasonic sensor consists of several key components that works together to detect object and measure the distance. The first component is the transmitter. The transmitter sends ultrasonic sound waves into the surrounding environment. Second component is receiver. The receiver detects the echo that returns after the sound wave hits an object. The next are the control electronics. These electronics manage the operation of the sensor and coordinate the signal from the transmitted and receiver. Finally, there is a signal processor. This signals processor analyze the return signal and calculate the distance between the sensor and detect the object. All these components work together to provide accurate and reliable measurement in automated system. Ultrasonic sensors are widely used in industrial automation. In conveyor belt system, they detect product and help control the production flow. In robotic system, they measure the distance to help position robotic arm accurately. They are also used in material handling system to support safe movement of material. In automated guided vehicles, ultrasonic sensor detect obstacles and help prevent collision. Ultrasonic sensors are commonly used for conveyor belt detection in automation or production system. This sensor detects the presence of product as they move along the conveyor belt. When an item passes under the sensor, this sensor measures the distance and confirm that product is present. This information is sent to the control system to manage the production process. For example, sensor can count items, control machine timing, and ensure the product move correctly through the system. This also help prevent the problems such as product jam, missing item, or incorrect sorting. As a result, conveyor belt detection improve the efficiency, product tracking, and overall reliability in automated factories. Ultrasonic sensors are also used to measure liquid level in tanks. These prevent overflow and improve process control. Another thing, safety and automation. In safety application, ultrasonic sensors detect obstacles or human presence near the machine and allow machine to stop or slow down. So it will help to eliminate all kind of accident, incident, even the near miss. Let's move into the worker safety. It is very important in industrial point of view. So ultrasonic sensors also play an important role in worker safety in industrial environment. This sensor can detect the presence of people near the machine or the hazardous area. When the worker enter a monitor zone, the sensor send a signal to the control system. The machine can then slow down or stop automatically to prevent accident. This type of safety system is especially used in automated factory where the robot and the machine operates continuously by detecting a human presence and maintain the safe distance. Ultrasonic sensor help reduce workplace accident and create safer working environment. Moving forward to the conveyor safety. So ultrasonic sensors are also used in conveyor safety. This help to detect the presence of worker or obstacles near the conveyor belt. If any danger situation in this region has detected, the system can trigger an alarm or stop the machine. This help prevent accident and improve workplace safety in any kind of automated industries. Chemical safety is so important. So considering the chemical safety, we have to also look for the chemical tank safety. So ultrasonic sensors are also used for the chemical tank safety. This monitor the liquid level inside the storage tank. If the level becomes too high, the system can trigger an alarm or stop the filling process. This help prevent chemical spill and the protect worker and the local environment as well. Let's deep dive into advantage of ultrasonic sensor. So ultrasonic sensor offer several advantage in industrial automation. First, they provide non-contact measurement, which can detect object without touching them. Second, they are very much reliable and can operate in different industrial environment. They are also require low maintenance, which reduce operational cost. Finally, the ultrasonic sensors work well in the dusty and smoky condition where some of other sensors may fail. Apart from the advantage, it has some certain sort of limitation or disadvantage as well. So let's look upon these few disadvantage. So ultrasonic sensor also have some limitation like first temperature change can affect the speed and sound, and also it can reduce measurement accuracy as well. Second, soft materials such as foam or fabric can absorb sound wave, which weaken the echo signal. Finally, the ultrasonic sensor have shorter detection range compared to some other sensor technology. Let's move into second last presentation topic, which is the future trends. So ultrasonic sensor technology continue to develop as industry move toward the smart manufacturing. In the future, this sensor will integrate with artificial intelligence and industrial networks. This also allow machine to monitor condition in the real time and make faster decisions. Ultrasonic sensor will also support predictive maintenance by detecting changes in distance or object movement. These movement will increase the automation efficiency and further enhance safety in modern industrial. environment. Last but not the least, ultrasonic sensors are important component in modern industrial system. They help measure distance and detect objects without physical contact. These sensors improve automation efficiency and also support workplace safety because of their reliability and versatility. Ultrasonic sensors are widely used in many industrial applications. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation helped explain ultrasonic sensor and their application in automation and safety.